Please sit upright on your chair and close your eyes if you feel comfortable to do so. Pay attention to your breath. Take notice of the inhale and exhale. Let your breath flow naturally. Observe it. Now bring your attention to your body. Are you aware of the position of your seated body? Can you feel the weight of your body on the chair? Take your attention down to your feet on the floor. Notice the sensation of your feet touching the floor. Maybe you can feel the weight of them, a vibration. Are they warm or cold? Take note of the feeling of your legs on the chair. Do you notice any sensations in your legs? Feel your back, its contact to the chair. Bring your attention to your belly. Can you feel the rhythm of your breath in your belly? Move your attention up to your chest. How does your breath feel in your chest? Let it come and go just as it is. Simply being with your breath. Take note of your hands. Are they tense or tight? What about your fingers? Draw your attention to your arms. Feel any sensation in your arms and in your shoulders. Take note of your neck and your face, your mouth, nose, cheeks, your ears and eyes. Now notice your whole body. Be aware of your breathing and of how your body is seated. And then when you're ready, you can gently open your eyes if they're closed and slowly come back into the outside world.